Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Hyundai i40. So from any screen there, you've got nav there and map there. We want nav, address, POI, points of interest, last destination, address book, parking. So we'll go to, having said that, there's navigation and advanced. We'll have a look what advanced is. GPS input using map tour. Right, so navigation, address. You've got select country there, city, street, options. Select country. That's a ball ache. Well, at least United Kingdom. Now it's on United Kingdom. You've got select city or postcode. Select postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. Good. This is an easy to use one. It's defaulted to numbers there. So PR54 and then JS. PR54JS. Click on that. There's no number, so I'll just click OK. And then we've got start. So easy enough to use, and
starting route guidance.
And it also looks there like it's telling you the speed limit of the road you're on, which that's another good feature. Okay, so that's the sat nav.